Yo, what is going on, everyone, in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. I just had two pretty medium-sized dents removed off my car, and it's amazing. They just are gone, disappeared, nowhere to be found, and I am so stoked. It only cost me like 90 bucks. So yeah, these dents, just like Bitcoin's scalability, nowhere to be found. So I am super stoked on that. So guys, let's go ahead and get into it. We got three different topics to go over today. Two of them being price action, one of them being something interesting going on with the banks, the big banks, JP Morgan and Bank of America to be exact. But we'll get into that towards the end of the video here. So here on Bitcoin on the daily chart, after the big impulse breaking the 11,500 historical resistance, we have this uptrending consolidation that has done nothing but continue to make higher lows. And it just keeps making higher lows. And now Bitcoin's going for the push past 12,000 again. And then we'll be testing 12,300 at some point, and then if we break off from there, it's probably going to be straight to like 14, 15, 16K. So honestly, Bitcoin right now, I don't even like Bitcoin, but I will admit that it is actually looking mega bullish right now. I personally don't have any Bitcoin, but if you are in a country where you are allowed to buy Bitcoin futures, like I forget what countries you have to be in to use BitMEX. But I mean, if you do want to take some Bitcoin longs, I mean, it's probably not a bad level to do it at, because I believe this is going to lead into breaking 12, then 12.3, and then after that, it's going to be like straight to 13, 14. So I believe that will also carry over into the XRP price action, which if we look at the XRP daily chart, this is where we did break support and make a lower low. But what's also interesting is that on the 4-hour, we ended up just you got this just really general area on the XRP chart, and it's just the buyers down at this region, they do not stop. Even when it was the initial flash crash dump on the 4-hour, the buyers stepped in, brought it right back up, consolidation, test, buyers came in again, consolidation, pull back down, test, buyers came in, run right back up to resistance, close below, pull back, test again. So with XRP clearly at this 27.5 cent level, the bulls are just not having it. They're going, you just got to piss off. I mean, the sellers and the bears, they just got to piss off at this point, because you have incredible bullish impulse with nothing but tight consolidation respecting support. So I do wholeheartedly expect XRP to get back into this 30-cent zone, kind of play around with it a little bit and get back to previous resistance. And then whether or not we break, I don't know, but I am certainly having my fingers crossed for the break. So really in the crypto space, it's like right now on the macro charts, it's just everything is set up to go for another impulse up. Now it's just a waiting game, and we just got to see. And then hopefully later tonight or tomorrow morning, we will be having a bull run stream where we do nothing but just look at the price action. So really, I haven't made content that much over the last week, but that's just because we've been playing this retracement game. So as soon as we get back to that good price action, you bet your rear end we will be back on the channel streaming a lot to get that coverage, because once we get in like to the mid-30s range, I mean 40 cents is kind of a done deal. And if this is truly the next bull cycle based on the whole halving cycle, we're going to the freaking moon, guys. And I'm not saying it's now or next week or even like this month, but it's coming. It's coming. We're due for it. Bitcoin and Ethereum are way too damn bullish for alts to not go thousands upon thousands upon thousands of percent. Now, let's get into the last topic we're going to discuss in this video, and this comes from XRP Millionaire on Twitter. Now, I don't know if he's already a millionaire from XRP or is about to be. Either way, he tweets out at 10:41 a.m. breaking: every Chase Bank system in New York is down. Now, Chase Bank, they have had PDFs and documents where, they do directly mention both Ripple and XRP as a liquidity tool. And then also after that, he comes down and replies and says, only one Bank of America is open in my part of Brooklyn, New York. Everything else is closed. The line was around the block. Things are happening, people. Now, Obviously, we all want to think, oh God, they're shutting down all their systems, they're implementing the XRP ledger, let's go. But I mean, really, at the end of the day, I think there probably could be a run on the bank. There could be literally just anything going on. Like, I know people want to think, okay, they're changing their back end, they're going on RippleNet, they're merging with the XRPL as a liquidity tool. I know we want to think that, but again, we got to kind of stay grounded, level-headed, and realize that these are banks. They can literally shut down temporarily for pretty much any reason. They might just even do it for fun just because they feel like it. But then Bank of America Help comes down in the comments and then says, "Hi, we're doing our best to remain open for our clients while implementing changes within our financial centers to follow CDC and government guidelines." Like, we just had these banks get the thumbs up green light that, yeah, they can custody crypto assets for their clients. So as such, some locations may be either temporarily closed, changes to services, or operating at adjusted hours. So very, very, very interesting. As we do know, Bank of America is one of those, like, hush hush. We know we know that they're partnered with Ripple, but they haven't exactly come out to the public and said that yet. But they are a part of the RippleNet committee since 2015. Yeah, just something to consider. I'm not saying this is, this is something to do with Ripple or XRP, but very, very interesting to say the least. And yeah, by the way, thank you to XRP Twinkie down here. Yeah, he's the one who let me know about all this. So very, very interesting. Again, don't expect this to be some RippleNet integration, but do consider that we just had last month, the 22nd of July, banks got the green light to custody crypto assets for their clients. So something to consider. Guys, that's really it for the video today. We are just kind of in this consolidation retracement state, and we just got to take it day by day and wait for the freaking 700x bagger that's potentially on the way, because it's time. It's time. This crypto market is going to collectively move major to the upside. I just truly believe that. And like, it's like, dude, I don't even own Bitcoin, but like, the Bitcoin charts are so bullish. And I like, Fraser even sent me a message saying that, like, hang on real quick, I gotta see what Fraser sent me. He says, hey, fun fact, if Bitcoin goes up 17% by the end of the month, like, so I think already this month it's up how much? What's it up by? It is up only 3.6%, but I think he's saying, like, if it potentially by the end of month reaches back to like 14K, he's saying if Bitcoin goes up 17% by the end of the month. So if Bitcoin can get one monthly candle that's 17%, it would be the highest monthly close ever. So guys, Bitcoin has broken all previous resistances, and it is set. Bitcoin is set to go for a major break, and honestly, it's going to be like 40, 50, 60, 70, 90K peak, and you will see FOMO like never before as the U.S. economy crumbles into literally nothing, and people panic sell out of their U.S. equities and flow into assets that are not backed by any government or economy. So guys, buckle up, because it's coming. I don't know exactly when. I ain't giving no dates, but trust me, it's coming. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribe if you did enjoy the video. And, yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.